Good morning. We are here today. I appreciate your flexibility in being able to take the test in your homerooms. I'm going to start by going over the chapter wrap-up, the review from last week. You learned this unit about decimals and how to write them and read them and compare them. So we will start by going over the answers to the review. Number 1 is decimal form. Number 2 is hundredths. Number 3 is 4/10ths, 4/100ths. Remember, if I'm going too quickly for you, you can pause the video and press play when you're ready. Number 4 is you should write 0.3. Number 5, 2.3. Number 6, 1.27. Number 7, you should have written the words 3/10ths, 6/100ths. Number 8, 3 ones and 7/100ths. Number 9, 3/10 plus 5/100. Number 11, number 10, 1 plus 7/10. Number 11, 2 plus 4/100. Number 12 is 1.4. Number 13 is 4.48. Number 14 is less. Number 15 is less. Number 16 is greater. And number 17 is greater. Number 18 is 9.80, 9.08, 8.09, and 0.98. Number 19, from greatest to least, check that you did greatest to least and not least to greatest. 6.42, 6.24, 4.62, 4.26. Number 20, the nearest whole number is 10. The nearest tenth is 9 8/10. Express each fraction as a decimal. Number 21 is 8/10. 1/4 is 25/100ths. 5/2 is 2 5/10. The last one, number 24, is 7/100. 25 is 23/50. Remember, it says simplest form. And number 26 is 8 3/4. All right, so now you will be working on the test. I'm going to go over the questions, making sure that you understand all the directions. All right, here is the test. Chapter 7 on decimals. Our standards are 4th grade standard about representing and comparing fractions and decimals in real world and math situations. You can see the problems, and then if you get number 8 correct, you can exceed that standard. Then there's a 5th grade standard about comparing fractions and decimals and doing real-world problems. Because that is above grade level standard, it does not have an opportunity for exceeds. So I'm going to read through the questions, and you can do them as I read them and pause if you want to get all the hints, or you can listen and then take the test at the end. Number 1, you need to say what 95/100ths is equal to in expanded form. Number 2, which digit has 5 in the hundredths place? Number 3, what is the value of the digit 9 in the number 35 and 96/100ths? Number 4, what is 2 1/50th expressed as a decimal? Number 5, write 4/100ths as a fraction in the simplest form. That's all the multiple choice. Short answer, number 6, write 576/100ths in decimal form. Number 7, mark an X to show where 19/100ths would be on this number line. Number 8 wants you to fill in the missing numbers in the pattern. Number 9, write 9/5 as a decimal. In 10, you have 2 tasks here. It's worth 5 points, so make sure you're working carefully. The first line, you should be writing the numbers as decimals on that line. And then on the second line, it says order them from greatest to least, biggest to smallest. and that is the test. If you get done with the test early, you should go and work in MobyMax. I would like you to be working on the lessons for the majority of the time. If you have extra time, a lot of time, you could also complete a little bit of the fluency games. But try to get through a few lessons before you do that. All right, thanks, and see you tomorrow.